I'm here with Michael Bungay Stanier. Michael, a fantastic guy, great coach, just got listed one of the top 8 in the world, possibly going to be #1 in the world. And you know, I love your book on coaching. A great book called The Coaching Habit. One of the biggest selling coaching books, maybe the biggest ever written. Fantastic book, I love it. It talks about the importance of questions in coaching. And you know, as we both know, a lot of leaders have trouble with coaching.
That's right.
And one of the reasons they have trouble is it seems awkward, embarrassing, uncomfortable.
Yeah.
They can't get started.
Right.
I love your idea of the Kickstart Question.
Yeah.
Can you explain to the viewers what do you mean by that?
Because you're right on point. You know, it's a bit like trying to chat up somebody in a bar. You're like, if I could just get the conversation going, I'm sure I'd be fine. But what's the opening line? And you can't, in a coaching conversation, go, oh, did you hurt yourself when you fell from heaven, right? That's not going to work. So you need a good coaching question to get things going. And I'd say this, part of the philosophy I have around helping people be more coach-like, because that's what I stand for. I want managers and leaders and individual contributors to be more coach-like, is it's just really helpful to have some go-to questions to ask. You don't need thousands, you don't need hundreds. I reckon 7 get you across the line.
I love your book.
Thank you. The Kickstart Question, here's what it is. What's on your mind? What's on your mind? And I tell you why I think it works so well, Marshall. It is an open question. So it says to them, why don't you tell me what's going on for you? So you're giving them the autonomy, the self-sufficiency, the empowerment to make the choice. But you're not saying to them, tell me anything or tell me everything. You're saying, what are you worried about? What are you anxious about? What are you excited about? What's waking you up at 5 o'clock in the morning? Let's go somewhere important, somewhere that matters, because time is short.
Right.
I don't have a whole bunch of time for a coaching conversation. Right. I'd like to be able to coach you in 10 minutes or less. So let's get into it, and let's get into it fast. What's on your mind?
I love it.
Thank you, sir.